If you need to set up some specified message as a welcome message for your bot, and maybe you want to specify some message when a bot is unable to answer for user, you can use this page that I set up, and there you can manage some unusual chat messages. For example, you have message to start conversation and you have message when bot unable to answer. And so let's set up these two messages and looks how it will work. For example, message to start conversation, I want to have something like this. And also I want to set up some message when our bot unable to answer, something like this. And let's save this information. This is data saved. And let's check how our bot will answer. It's better to check on Telegram. It's better on Telegram because when your user press start on this messenger, it will ask on this welcome message. So let's press start. And I have my message that I already set up there. And all users that just will start messaging with your bot will receive this message. And let's ask bot to provide more information about company. And we have a response that also see information from my database. And we have a good response. And let's test what bot will answer when we have some problem, for example, with API key and bot unable to set something for user. Let's ask something like this. And we get our message when bot unable to answer for user questions. And it's a very good practice to make to have these messages for user. It's give user information that as for now they can use this bot, and but user can contact information that you can paste your email, phone number, all information that you want to contact with a real person, not with bot.